Hi, this is Dan Petrock, a short video to help you with the frequency and relative frequency distribution questions on some of our interactive assignments and homework. This is 2.2 RA-3 if you're an interactive assignment. They give you a set of data here, this disposable income, and they want you to make a frequency and relative frequency distribution with this. If we go ahead and open this in StatCrunch and we tell it to do that, it's doing it right, but it's not going to like your answer because of the formatting. So we're going to go through that. So the easiest way to do this one would just be go to Stat, Tables, Frequency, and we just click var1, and it'll by default do a frequency and relative frequency, and you can even tell it where to start and how wide the bins. So we can set this to be 30,000, and the bin width is 6,000. And we hit compute, and there we go. We've got what we need there. We've got the relative frequency and the, let me go ahead and pull this and make this half and half. There we go. There's that, and there's that. Okay, so what it's going to want here is the boundaries. So this is pretty easy. 3,000 or 30,000. I'm sorry, 30,000. The class width actually means it's 6,000 to the next class. This is 36,000. Notice this little open interval here. This means all the way up to, but not including 36,000. And since this data is most accurate to the ones place, the top of this frequency is really 35,999. One less. So everything between 30,000, 35,999 is in this, and that frequency is 14. So I think that's usually the error. Again, this is going to be all the way up to 42,000, which is 41,999, and that is going to be 10. Another thing that messes people up is there's no interval here explicitly from 42,000 to 48. So if we go here, 42,000 to 47,999, there is actually 0 in that frequency, and then there's only 1 for up here. So that's going to be your 48,000 to your 53,999 is only 1. So that's the big deal. And then the relative frequency will be the exact same intervals with these percentages in here. So hope that helps you with those on the interactive assignment and homework. And remember, if there's any show work problems on these Chapter 2 problems, they will be manually adjusted after the due date. Hope this helps.